Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I've got an unbagging for you. But before I get into this, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And don't forget to leave me a comment. I love reading them. I always get back to you as soon as I possibly can. And always give me that thumbs up. That does help my channel. And yeah, I just want to say thank you. And that I appreciate each and every one of you. So, this comes to me from GBFKE. And I just want to say thank you to Nathan for sending these to me. I appreciate it very much so. And let's get in here and see what I've got. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull them all out because this bag is rather long. And we're just going to throw the bag down in the floor. Alright, so the first one that I got, if y'all have been following me, you know what it is. Alright, so it is a full round poured glue. So I'm just going to roll it backwards. And it comes with your basic toolkit, which is the pink pen, the little square of wax, and your green toolkit. Alright, and it is a gorgeous girl. But isn't she pretty? All these little light blues, and she's got her little guitar, and then you've got the music symbols going up. Okay, I'm not real sure what happened, but my camera stopped. But here are the drills. We've got greens and blues, and they're very pretty. I'm not seeing anything wrong with these colors. We've got the canvas size, which is a 30 by 40. We have got the canvas number, which is the GS3108, right here, clearly shown on the bag. There's no DMC numbers on the bag, but that's fine because they're on here. But here is the thumbnail, and then it tells you that it's a 30 by 40. You've got your schematic over here on the top left and on the bottom right. There are 29 colors. Looks like it's going to be numbers through 9, and then it's going to be letters. And then we do have the DMC numbers. But I just thought she was cute. And being that we used to live in Tennessee, I thought this was very cute. She just looks like she stepped out of a bar in Nashville. So, but yeah, she's got her guitar, the music notes. She's got her little dress, but there are little flowers on the dress. She's got her little flower, what is that called? Anyway, she's got her little flower headband around her hair. But I just thought this was really cute. And very sticky. But this one was $5.28 on GBFKE. But yeah, I think she's a new one. But I mean, I can't keep up with them. But I thought she was very pretty. I like it. So there's that one. Does anybody else got this one? I wish they would put the names of them, because I know each one of these Gorjuss girls has a name, which, you know, I know, you know, copyright and all that stuff. That's why I don't think they even call them Gorjuss girls. I think they call them Gorjuss dolls or something, but I wish I knew what their names were. But anyway, I thought that was pretty. So, let me set that one to the side. Now, I am going to pause, and then I will be right back. Maybe. Okay, guys. These are the other two that I got. I got August and July. So, both of these came with your regular standard toolkits. You got your pink wax, your green boats, and your pink pins. That's all that came with them. So here is the July, and it is a 40 by 40. It has got 20 colors, all letters, with the DMCs. It has the schematic on the top left, has a schematic on the lower right, and it says USA, a land that I love. And then it has the July down here, has thumbnail up at the top, and as you can see, the mug is red, white, and blue, has the stars in the middle, and then it has the stripes on it, has 2 stars, and then it has a great big old thing of, I guess that's like chocolate whipped cream, I'm going to assume. I guess this is like a mocha drink, maybe. But, again, we've got all the white, which is going to be color blocking. And then this is all confetti. Now, all this red in here, well, most of it is color blocking. The blue is going to be color blocking. But like these stars and all of this right in here is confetti. All of this is confetti. So you've got, you know, it's an even kill. So you're going to have, you know, the best of both worlds. So there's this one. And it is good and sticky. So that's all well and good. So here's this one. All right. And then we have the August. Same thing. So 40 by 40. 20 colors. All letters. With the DMC. Has the schematic in the top left. Bottom right. Thumbnail. The size. All of the white is color blocked. Says August, cool off with watermelon. And the cup, of course, is going to look like a watermelon. And let's see, we've got the hearts, green and red hearts. Got 2 slices of watermelon. I wonder if this is chocolate. I wonder if that's watermelon or if that's a peppermint. I think this one's cute. I think they're all cute. And of course, you've got all the white that is color blocking. This is a lot of color blocking. Because, well, it looks like the red is a lot of confetti. It looks like it's color blocking, but it's not. That's about 2, possibly 3 shades of red right there. But this one's pretty. So what do y'all think? So both of these were each, let me see, $6.47. So not bad. Not bad at all. And then the drills, again, they just have the canvas number on them. So if you store them away from the canvas, you're going to know that this is B1, or yeah, B1210. So this goes with this one, and this one's going to go with this one. But all the drills look good. You've got several shades of pinks and reds and some greens. You've got your browns that goes with that. And of course, good Lord, at all the white. And the same thing with this one. You've got all that white and the blues and all the different colors of reds and burgundies. And jeez, got pink in there. And you wouldn't know that there was even any pink in there. Where in the world would pink go? Pink goes down here in the stars. Okay. Right in there. I guess it's just to make a shadow. So yeah. So GBFKE right now is doing buy 4, get 1 free. So you're going to put 5 items in your cart. But just remember that when you do that, it is going to be, you know, it needs to be of the same value or less of whatever's in your cart. So what do y'all think, y'all? What do y'all think about these? So as far as the dessert cups go, I'm going to have to look, but I think all I need is 3 more, and I will have the whole series completed. And I think I need, okay, I think I've got, I think I need September. I might just need 2. I know I need October. I think I just need 2. September. Did I get September? I don't remember. Y'all, I'm going to have to look. But I think all I need is 2 or 3 more, and I will be completed with this series. So that'll be cool. It'll be one series I've completed. I don't think I've ever gotten a complete series of anything, because I will never be able to complete that, because I keep coming out with new ones like every week. So, all right, y'all. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please give me a thumbs up. That does help my channel. And leave me a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as I possibly can. And yeah, like I said, I hope you enjoyed this. And thank you to Nathan for sending these to me. And until my next video, y'all, I will see y'all later. Bye, y'all.